Blinkbox is about a better entertainment experience. Whether that be a movie you love, a TV show you're obsessed with, music that you listen to, the book that you love to read.
Whilst we have the very latest blockbuster movies and TV shows, we also have a very, very deep catalogue. Originally, our plan was to build another 2 on-premises data centres. We hit a number of challenges in terms of our growth financially.
John and I have worked extensively on the business cases for Blinkbox. He came to me and said, look, have you ever heard of cloud computing? He showed me the cost efficiencies of doing it, which got me very excited.
When we started talking to the guys at Microsoft Azure, we realised that the platform was a really good fit for Blinkbox and the direction we wanted to go in. Blinkbox is a fairly traditional .NET ASP application. If you want to lift and shift that to the cloud, you have to do it using VMs unless you want to start again and do it all from scratch. So we're using infrastructure as a service virtual machines. There are some really compelling features in the Azure platform which work well for us, such as Azure Media Services for transcoding, blob storage for geo-redundant storage across the region, and also the elastic compute. Right now we have getting on for a petabyte of storage, and that's only going to go up.
We don't have to care about storage anymore. If I need some more storage, I go into the console, I dial up another 200 terabytes, I carry on.
A studio will send us a new title. We'll get that perhaps a week in advance of it coming out, but maybe just a couple of days. That then has to be ingested into our encoding system.
Encoding is hard. Taking the content that we get from studios, comparing it in all these different formats, making sure it can work on all the devices, that's all hard. We don't have to do that anymore. We now use Azure Media Encoding. If there's a new movie coming up like Gravity, then I can re-encode for that really quickly.
A fantastic part of Microsoft Azure is that it is broadly platform agnostic. There's loads of Linux support and it doesn't treat Linux like a second-class citizen. Blinkbox grew 245% in the last year. Our growth is going to continue and it's going to be massive. We think that over time it's going to save us millions of pounds by being on Microsoft Azure and their cloud platform.
In a business like ours that's trying to grow very quickly but not sink a fortune into infrastructure, this sort of solution is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.